This is for my fellow Arsenal fans here. This is for my fellow Arsenal fans. All of you better enjoy right now. I'm hearing Arsenal fans whining and whining and whining. You better enjoy right now. Look at our next 4 games. We are playing Brighton, Aston Villa and Bournemouth. Those are very difficult games. So if you're whining right now, I don't know what you'll say when we are playing these games, and I believe they are very tough games. Look at them. Look at Man City's run. The only difficult team there is Sunderland, because I believe Man City will beat Chelsea and Nottingham Forest. We can also hold Aston Villa for ourselves. So enjoy now, guys.